Hi friends, it's Petra here with another Hip Kit Club layout, and today I am mixing new and older kits. So I'm using the May embellishment kit and May kit, and I'm using the February main kit and embellishment kit. And you will see that February kit and the May kit will be blending in together perfectly. So I'm starting off with a May paper, and I'm cutting a circle which I will be embroidering with a vertical line. So I'm not very clear, but you will see it in a minute. So I'm using a light pink floss, and as you see, I'm creating vertical lines, and I've sped things up because that's too boring to watch. So simply distressing the edge a bit with my scissors, and I have cut out a photo of myself in a circle, in a little circle. And then I am using those two February embellishment sets, and they are gorgeous and they match perfectly with the May kit. So just always keep your kits, and I always keep them together in the pouches they come in. So you can easily grab them and you can easily see if they mix and match, and most of them are mixable. So the flowers in that February kit are gorgeous, and I had to use them. And the May kit, the May embellishment kit, and the May main kit also have these great embellishments, and those wooden flowers are in the main kit, and they are so pretty. And I thought it would be nice to have a bit of a wood accent in that layout. And just to be honest, I hope those wood flowers come back again in future kits because I adore them. So these butterflies are from the May embellishment kit, and the puffy alphabet stickers I'm using are from the February kit. So I wasn't thinking very clearly because I simply stuck them on immediately, and I didn't realize that due to that floss thread that they wouldn't be very easy to wriggle around, but luckily enough it's spaced out. Do you say space out? Well, I sometimes space out, but no, kidding. But they lined up perfectly, so that was a bit of luck for me. Sometimes I wonder if things are said the same in Dutch as they are in English or other way around, and sometimes I really am surprised that things are the same, but sometimes they're not. So please excuse me if I'm saying some strange stuff for you guys. Sorry about that. So I decided I wanted to have some extra embroidery around that circle because I thought it was a bit too empty and I didn't want to use any stencils or anything. So I just decided to create a extra border, circular border around that centerpiece, and simply use the same color as I've used in that pattern paper center. And then I decided that I wanted to use those little white clouds that are in the May kit, and I simply fell in love with them, but I didn't know where to use them. But I felt that this was the perfect time to stuck them on my layout. So that's it. I hope you liked it, and please let me know what you think and show us your work on our Facebook group. Hope to see you again soon. Thanks so much. Bye bye.